Here I've got VODAFONE Smart for Macs, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should scroll down, and under security you will notice language and input, so simply open it. And now go to the first tab, which is language. Here you can select the one from the following languages, so let me pick for example Italiano. And as you can see, whole many settings and everything is in this language. Then if you would like to go back to the default one or to some other language, simply tap on this A icon, go to the first tab, and now select whichever language you want to. So in my case it will be English UK, so this option. And now we are back in English. So that's it. This is how you can smoothly change language in your VODAFONE. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.